Alrighty then. Good morning. Today is March 16th, 2021. The current time is 9:17 a.m. We have about 12 or 13 minutes to the open. I am recording my trades to help me practice discipline, keep myself in check. Also giving me the opportunity to go back and review my trades as they happen, not just looking at charts and numbers. Before we get going, let's go over the rules of the day. I'm going to go over the rules each morning, so when I look back at these videos, I know where I was at that moment, what rules I was following, and then I can look at the video and make sure that I follow those rules, because that's the whole point of this. There are 6 rules. Number 1, due to the recent bad decision making of mine, I am in probationary mode. So I am limited to 1,000 shares per trade until I prove I learn my lesson. Number 2, every trade will have a hard stop in place. Once I place a trade, immediately put a stop. Number 3, only place an order when a stock presents a setup on the 5-minute chart. This here is my 5-minute chart. And we're looking for bull flags and bear flags. Nothing else matters. Number 4, do not chase an entry. If I wasn't ready, then I missed it. Wait for another setup. Number 5, no pre-market trades. And lastly, number 6, I am done for the day if I lose $200, win $200, or we reach 11 a.m. We're only trading until 11 a.m. No exceptions to these rules. All right, I've already gone through and looked at the gappers, so let's go ahead and show those really quick, see what's potential for the morning. First off is NTN, right there on the screen. It's gapped up, but it's pretty much pulled back almost 3/4 of its gain. It may gain strength again, but looks like she's fading already. We have ENZ. Same thing, it's already given up half of what it gained, but it's hanging in there. ANCN, it's almost completely given up everything, but you never know. Some of these, when they have pre-market gains like that, they fire back up once the market opens, but I doubt it. CANF, this is the only one out of everything I'm watching that is actually still climbing. So this is probably the biggest potential out of these. SSY, looks like it's turning back up. And SVRA. And that one's not doing too bad. So those are the ones. Again, it is now 9:20. So we got 10 minutes to the open. I'm going to pause the video and I'll bring you back when I have something that looks good. All right, here we are in ENZ. Tell you what, I was really hungry to short this thing down here, but it just didn't set up for me. But now she's in the climb again. I mean, it's got good news. They were awarded a patent this morning. So, I mean, that's really good news. And pre-market, she was all the way up to $5, which I think is still quite low. It's 2 minutes left in this candle. That is the breakout point. We'll give it a chance here. I'll give it a 10-cent stop. If it decides to do it. We've got 1:10 left in this candle. And the high currently is 448. I would like this even better if it waited to the next candle. "30 seconds left in this candle. I think it's going to wait till the next candle. There it goes. Stops in place. Don't you just come right back, you punk. Alright, it just kicked one of my stops. There's some strength. Broke back down through that strength. It's not looking good. Dumped it. It's not looking good. It did not break out like I wanted it to. Alright, here we are looking at JILL. High of that candle is 867, which just closed. This thing's moving a lot. Alright, we're back here. This has just settled in here. We got 5 seconds left in this candle. High of 819 in that candle. So we're going to, whoop, damn it. Come down here. 820. Split my position. And if this thing breaks out, I'm going to give it some room. I think my stop's going to be the 9 if it breaks through it. And since this is such a big range, it's kind of off the bottom of my chart here, or my ladder. As you can see, 783 is down at the bottom. So if it comes up here and hits this and starts climbing, 777 is going to be way down off the bottom. So there would be no way for me to, unless I zoom out, there would be no way for me to reach down there and grab my stop and move it up. So I'm going to use the buttons here. If I see it approaching my stop, I'll just flatten. And then I can follow it up if she goes up like it's supposed to. I mean, my target on this should be 9 easy. Because if she truly breaks out, which is about to, well, I'm about to get in. I don't know if it's about to break out or not, but here we go. I'm in. I'm going to put a target there because if she springs up quickly, it's not exactly exploding like I wanted it to. Oh, that's definitely not an explosion like I want it to. Look at that spread. A 23-cent spread. That is not what I wanted. Come on now. Oh. It only went to 835 in that pop. What is up with these things lately? There goes another candle. Well, I gotta say, this is not the fast mover I was thinking it was going to be. Ah, shit snacks. Don't make me do it. Stay above that stay above $8 and keep climbing. Come on. I'm getting a really bad feeling about this. There she goes. I have to take it. I had to take the loss. That's just a shame. Well, I'm going to give this another chance. If we ignore this false breakout that I got trapped in, we got a pretty solid pullback here to the 9. So we're going to give it one more chance. I am setting an entry over the top of this candle here, which is 8.17. And again, my stop will be a break of the 9 again. It looks like she's wanting to climb now. Maybe. There's 15 seconds left in this candle. I'm not moving my position. There it is. I'm in. I'm going to put a quick target for half my position at 850. Let's see if she climbs at all. Where is the volume at? The volume is just petered out on this thing. She's trying to move. There we go. And of course it tops out at my target and doesn't sell anything. You gonna do me like that again? This will be like day 3 that a stock has done that to me. But of course, it was my mistake by putting it at the $0.50. I should have made it 49. That was stupid of me. Did not think about that. What the heck? Did it go to sleep? That was so stupid to put it right at the $0.50. I know better than that. I usually put it a couple pennies below a resistance point like that. There we go again. Look at it. It's like teasing me. It ain't like I created some sort of large wall. There's only 500 shares there. This is, wow, look at that spread. There we are, back to me again. Looks like somebody's joined me. I keep thinking, well, I move my target down a couple pennies, but honestly, if you look at the movement of this thing for the day and the potential that it has, 850 should not be a problem. Oh shit, look at that. Was it listening to me? And I dumped it. I'm speechless. Well, this is really discouraging. Second day of recording trades, and it's another negative day. And it's mind-boggling because for the last 3 months, listen to that, 3 months, I've had 4 negative days. 3 months, 4 negative days. And now, 2 days in a row, negative days. It's very discouraging. So, here are my trades. I ended up down negative 750. Man, my plays are just not working out. Oh well, move on. Hope for better tomorrow. See you then.